Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, a lot of you are asking, where is 23H2? Well, 23H2 is still being tested. So a lot of rumors were that 23H2 might have been released this week with the updates that we got. And you could see here, I'm on 23H2 because I'm on a release preview. But nope, there was no 23H2. And in fact, for those of you in the release preview on 23H2, the updates that we got for the optional bug fixes actually made a little change to 23H2. So I would guess that maybe there's a last minute glitch or something they saw that they have to modify and test a little more. But obviously, it was not. It was not for release this week. We have a lot of these rumors because there's a lot of things that have been seen. Some have seen that in preparation for the release that there's the images, the ISO for 23H2. They have been seen, but they're not yet live online. And a lot of people are asking me, can I download 23H2 now image for Windows 11? Not yet. When it's officially released, they'll be available during that day. But as long as it's still in the release preview ring, it's not available. So probably a little more testing needs to be done, which is interesting because it doesn't do much. It's really just an enablement package. But I guess they want to make sure that things are all right. So still waiting for 23H2. I guess maybe next week or in the next couple of weeks it's going to be there. But we're really, really close. There's all signs are pointing to 23H2 being very, very near. So it's either next week or maybe at the same time with the patch Tuesday of November. But 23H2 definitely is close. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.